Here we have another MyMathLab problem that a student inquired about. At a $1,600 deposit at an APR of 6.4% with a quarterly compounding for 8 years, what was the amount, or what will the amount be after the 8 years? So let's work this out. Okay, so we want to know the final amount. Well, the formula is that the final amount is equal to the principal times 1 plus the rate over the number of times in a year it's compounded. All of that raised to the number of times it's compounded times the number of years. So we're looking for the amount. Let's change color to blue here. And the amount is the principal. The principal is 16,000 times 1 plus a rate of 6.4%, which is 0.064. And the number of times per year is 4 because it's quarterly. And this is raised to 4 times the number of years, which is 8 years. So we can put this into our calculator. And in our calculator, we would say, put in 16,000. And we say times left parenthesis. And let's do another left parenthesis because this left parenthesis is what is going to, see, I'll even close it over here. Let's be spread out a little bit. And so what we're going to put in here is what is going to be multiplied by the 1,600, and that is going to be all of this. Okay? So we'll start by this, 1 plus a fraction, and we'll put this in as in another parenthesis. This is the 1 plus a fraction. Here's 1 plus the fraction, and the fraction itself, I'm going to put that in a parenthesis. This is sort of like using a calculator is similar to programming. You've got to make sure you put your parentheses in the right place. What I have here is this fraction, which is a decimal over a whole number, is in parentheses. That's this ratio. And then I need to have another fraction here. This 1 plus the fraction has to be enclosed in parentheses. Here's 1. I need another one on the outside. Okay. And so then this 1 plus the fraction is now raised to a value. So we're going to raise that to, well, 4 times 8 is 32. So raise that to the 32. And let's look at our, and this should give us our answer right here, because this parenthesis here is closed here. We don't need this gap here, but I'm not sure that I can actually move that over. I can, let's see, I can certainly try. Let's see if I can erase that. No, I guess I can't. Okay, so that's fine. So this is what we put into our calculator right here to get the answer to this problem.